DMC.
Hello everyone, I am Cabin Crew Xaviera. To be a professional cabin crew, you need to have these three skills, which are cheerful, hand gestures, and caring action. First, you need to be cheerful, like this. Cheerful smile. Hi. Not cheerful smile. Hi. It is important because to be cheerful, others will think that we are friendly and easy to approach. Second, you need to have hand gestures like this. Excuse me, may I know where the toilet is? Just go straight and it's on your right. Why is it important? It is important because hand gestures can help people to understand us better. Third, you need to have caring action, like this. Excuse me, sir, you look cold. Do you need a blanket? Yes, please. Here you go. It is important because caring action will let others feel happy that we are kind and caring. I apply my observing and taking action when someone needs my help. So, as a cabin crew, you need to have cheerful hand gestures and caring action. So, come, let's be a confident cabin crew just like me. I'm Cabin Crew Xaviera. Thank you.
We are from DMC.